the matter? What are you doing, huh? Eli. What are you doing, baby? Huh? What are you trying to do? Can we put, what's going on, Boo? What are you trying to do? What are you doing? Why are you moving that around the house? You didn't like where Nana put it? You didn't like where Nana put it? Huh? You're funny, baby. Yeah, you're funny. You're silly. You're silly. Why did you put that down there? That's not where the high chair goes. That's not where it goes. That is not where it goes. Are you tired? Hmm? What are you doing, silly boy? What are you doing? You want to move the couch too? A little Bam Bam? A little Bam Bam? What are you doing?